Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an integration guide for our REST API to get leads into a campaign. Okay, so first of all you need to go to Campaigns Integration Guide. By default we predefine Basic Get API, so you need to select Optimize REST API. Next, select the campaign you want to send leads into. By default we don't generate a key, and the REST API requires a key in order for leads to be submitted into LeadByte. Now, you've got two options. So you've got a campaign key, which is specific to the campaign, or you've got a source/supplier key, which is going to be specific to that source. So very simply, if you just select the campaign, you can create a key by just clicking here. Alternatively, you can select a source, and then you can click here to create a supplier key. Now, just to show you, this is one I created earlier. The option will disappear if there's a key linked to that supplier or campaign. Okay, next section here is the predefined options, so your required fields that you set at define fields level. You can tick to add more here, and these down here are your custom fields, so any fields that you've added manually that are not part of the default standard fields. So to enable test mode, you simply tick this. So if you want to test if the leads are coming into LeadByte, you can do that by ticking there, and all this does is add test mode equals yes. Just remember to remove that when you do go live. And then if we go down here, before we open the guide, just to explain the payload. So there's a testing payload there, which you can use to submit a test into LeadByte, and then the code itself, where if it's easier, take the URL from there and take the body, and then your key is added at the bottom, and then you need to add it as a header. Now if you click Open Posting Guide, this is a shareable URL, so share it with your developer or whoever you need to. Left hand side is your fields, so this is what needs to be mapped in your other system to our system. Are they required? The type, examples, and then down here we've got the URL that needs to be used, and this is the body, so the body of the request, and then you've got the header. Scrolling down here, there's some examples, example response, example rejection codes. Okay, and then the other option is, if we go back, you can actually send the guide via email to whoever you would like.